So let's talk about some of the things that you would get as a paparazzi consultant when you order one of their starter kits. All right, so you get some style snapshots.
It's pretty much just a woman wearing some jewelry. It's a picture.
What about a sales bag?
It's a plastic bag that you can put your jewelry in.
Put your jewelry in it? Oh, okay. Window decal?
That's to put on your car to let everyone know you're a paparazzi consultant.
All right, a receipt book.
A receipt book is though if you're gonna do it in person, like a sale in person.
Oh, you write somebody a receipt? Okay. Enrollment forms?
That's to sign people up under you.
All right. How about thank you cards?
It's to say thank you.
Okay. So you say thank you and you say give them a thank you card.
Yes.
All right. Compensation plan brochures.
That's to go with that enrollment form for you to give to the people you're trying to sign up under you.
Oh, because that's an MLM.
Yes.
Multi-level marketing. So you really make a lot more money when you recruit people to sell underneath you.
Well, not a lot more money because you don't make any money in the beginning anyway.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Business success plan.
That's just a bunch of rules on how they're telling you to run the business.
All right. How about some display hooks?
That's to hang your jewelry on.
Do you get enough?
You get 10 or 20. It's not enough.
You gotta buy more hooks.
Yeah, you have to buy more.
Party invitations?
That's to invite the people over to give them the enrollment form and the compensation plan.
All right, so let's talk about the TJB Sparkles box. Is any of this stuff included in the TJB Sparkles box?
No, it isn't. And that's because the TJB Sparkles box is there to make you money. It's full of jewelry.
Wait. So this stuff does not make you any money?
Nothing.
All of this stuff?
You make no money.
I'm not gonna make no money with the receipt book?
No.
The decal?
No.
All right, so what can you make money with?
You can make money with the TJB Sparkles box. It's full of jewelry and not the fillers.
So the jewelry is what makes you money.
The jewelry. Let me introduce you to the TJB Sparkle Box. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the TJB Sparkle Box? Well, it's your means to start your own jewelry business. So inside the TJB Sparkle Box, you're gonna have 120 pieces of jewelry, jewelry cards, and jewelry hooks. For further details, simply go to thejewelrybox.live and always remember, jewelry is the statement. Everything else is just an accessory.